What it do, my hardcore crew? We got some Obsidian. Mind. The sound of hunger. Oh. You ever been so hungry? You just look at your guy. What? You look at your homie and you're like, yo, I'll really eat your ass. No, I was kidding. Relax, bro. Don't. Oh. Hey, Editor Keem. Keep that in. Oh, wait. There we go. Got to bleep it. Hold on. Bass. Edit that. Edit it. Hold on. Oh yeah, this heat. His lows are. He got some good lows. I like his projection. Reminds me a little bit like Forevermore. Oh, they got the sin. Stop it. The synth is such a... It's a hack. Dun, dun, dun. Did it. It's such a hack. It's a hack. This band is so good. What the world? Obsidian. Y'all just came back, huh? I like that. So it is a little bit of like a Silent Planet mixed with Forevermore. That's what I hear. That's what I hear. Ain't mad at it. Who's at my door? I'm home alone. They're gonna have to wait. I'm enjoying music. Who is this, Gallagher? Let's go. Yep. Obsidian. Obsidian. Oh my God! Better than that. Listen to Obsidian Mind. This is hard, baby. Yo, shout out Obsidian Mind. Was not expecting this at all. This is the sound of hunger.